Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel, KEMARI Reaction. So I'm here to do another reaction video to RBD member. This is me herself, Maite Perroni. And this, I believe I could pronounce it correctly, querer, volver at the Premios Juventud. The title will be in the description because I'm not going to sit here and butcher these people's words. I'm going to go in and out because they copyright over here. This is live. This is live. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, the bitch look good. Yes. They have production staff holding those stuff too. Come on, Stans. Give us a performance. She better use the stage. Oh, she looks so good. I'm so not so used to her not wearing all black hair. Giving us a little catwalk. I'm gonna love it. All the flowers and stuff. It's so cute. Come on, Poison Ivy realness. She sounds really good. Wow. Well, obviously she did This Is Me, so she had vocals, we know that. Okay.
Monday.com.
That was cute. That was cute. Mrs. Perroni. That was cute. That was cute. I really do like that. I think she sounds amazing. She sounds really good. Like I said before, I did react to her song This Is Me, her rendition to the song for the movie The Greatest Showman. So she did such a good job for this one. This was cute. I wonder if did she perform twice this night? Oh, I don't know. The hair color seems very good. The other video I react to. If YouTube has blocked, I always have to say that because YouTube loved the block. But this was very cute, mate. Very cute, mate. I was very skeptical because I was like, you know, Anna is a beast when it comes to performing, and the other groups, I saw the music videos and other videos and collaboration they did. I was like, wow, this whole group as individuals, they're really good. So this is a very good job. So I want to say thanks to the person who gave me these recommendations. I really do appreciate it. I really do enjoy everything you guys are giving me. This is good. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who could you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.